or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about how we can receive a parcel during this global pandemic. I think this video will help a lot of people out there who like shopping online, especially people who are subscribed to my channel. You know that I am all about shopping online, but that doesn't mean that we do it recklessly without taking any kind of precautions and safety measures for ourselves. So this video is completely about that, and hope you love this video. If you do, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to share with your family and friends. Please guys, I urge you to share this with your family and friends, and this is the kind of precaution that each and every one of us has to take. So the first thing that I did is I received a plastic box. Now no, I'm not holding the plastic box without any gloves. I did a lot of things to get rid of whatever COVID-19 germs that might be there on the box. So I received a box, a cardboard box with a plastic cover. This got shipped to me from Maharashtra. So I took at most all precautions that I can with this box. First thing I did is ask the delivery boy to leave the box outside. If you guys cannot leave the box outside, I recommend you to keep it in your balcony where there is little bit of sunlight, or near a window, or completely somewhere that is isolated, where there's always one corner of the house which is least used, and just keep this box in that corner for 72 hours without touching it. Nobody touches the box. Preferably inside a polythene or some kind of backpack that you can later on throw it away, like a polythene cover or something. Just keep it in one box. After 72 hours, I kept it outside for 48 hours. I brought it inside and then kept it in the balcony for another 24 hours. I used gloves while doing that. And I kept it outside for 24 hours, then brought it inside, and I basically used gloves while bringing it inside. After bringing it inside, I thoroughly wiped it with Dettol. I did not use hand wash Dettol and water to wipe it. I used this liquid Dettol. If you guys already do not have it at home, I recommend that you buy it from anywhere as soon as possible. I already had 3 and this is my last bottle. I already used up like half of it. I put 1 cap of Dettol in everything, literally everything I do. I put it in my washing machine. I put it while doing pocha or while wiping up the floors, and everything I do, I used 1 cap of Dettol in it. So what I did is I took a piece of cotton, I wiped up everywhere, all the packet thoroughly, and kept it under the fan to dry. And after wiping the packet, I also wiped my gloves very nicely with Dettol. Then what I did is I went to the bathroom. Now while going to the bathroom, you have to make sure you do not touch anywhere. You cannot touch any doorknobs or anything, so leave the bathroom door open beforehand. Go inside the bathroom and wash your gloves. When I'm telling wash your gloves, do not remove your gloves then wash them. No. First take the hand wash and wash your gloves like you normally wash your hands, and then remove your gloves, keep it aside, and then wash your hands thoroughly. Remember to clean under your nails also. This process doesn't only help you and protect you from all the virus and bacterial infection, it's also great for your nails, for those who love having nails. For those who don't have nails, that's even better because it keeps you a lot safer than from us who have nails. So that's it guys. I came back, I left the box for drying under the fan, and now this is the box. This box feels a little sticky, that means there's still Dettol on it, and that's how it's supposed to feel. That means that there's all the places has been covered with Dettol. Now I'm just going to rip up this sheet. Make sure to dispose of all the cotton, this plastic cover and everything as soon as you're done with it. Do not put it in your dustbin and keep it for a longer period of time. Maybe have a polythene cover beside you and throw it in that, and throw it outside your house as soon as possible, and dispose all the materials that you use as fast as possible. Then that's it. I also did wash the Dettol bottle once after using, because I was concerned that the gloves touched this and we might get COVID from that. I have a little bit of germophobia in me, I think. I don't know what's that called, or is it just called being scared of whatever is going on outside. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you found this video helpful, and please do consider sharing this video with your family and friends. And when I say consider, I mean do it, because it is kind of your responsibility to let them know about all these things that will be helpful for them as well as for you. If you found this video helpful, please do leave your thoughts in the comment section below, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you really like this video. And that's it. To know what's inside this box, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you do not miss any updates. That's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.